Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Tuesday, April 18th. Time is 8:38 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, okay, I am in this trade, not where I'd like to be, but let me walk you through where I'm at. So, we had a reversal sequence happen back here at 7:15. I wasn't in front of my computer then, but it actually triggered off 5 minutes later, 10 minutes later. So, I got here, I sat down about 8:10, and we started getting this push up here. So that kind of showed me probably the immediate sentiment anyway. So I was waiting for a pullback to the 8 moving average, and I was going to hop it long, and I did. So I caught it right here, 10 contracts long, 52.75. Stop sitting at 67 for an 8-tick stop, and looked to pull half off at 85. Which is getting really close, and it looked like another reversal sequence is setting up here as well. So what I am going to do is see where this bar closes at, and gauge it from there if I want to just go ahead and take everything off. So we'll see at this point, but still in this trade. It's up 7 ticks right now, so we'll hold on and see what happens here. So a big push down overnight, a big drop, and then a bounce. There's an eye zone here. It formed, and it stayed in this area between 68 and 59, about a 10-tick area for quite a while there. So now that looks like an okay cluster. Still not as big as I'd like, but still in pre-market. So we're pushing up a bit. I don't see anything here other than this. I'll take it back. You had a lot of volume built up here pre-market. So we'll see what happens here. All right, guys. Long 10 contracts, 52.75, and let's see where we're at here. All right, be back shortly. I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up to 72. That's going to be a 3-tick stop at this point, and we'll see what happens here. 53 is the threshold for this reversal sequence, and that's actually a good area if we can get there. 52.90 is this yellow line, marked it a while back. Still don't know what it is, but it seemed to work pretty decent as resistance pre-market, so it may actually get up here and test it again. And I'll watch the price action and see what time and sales does to gauge that move if we can get here. So this is the start of that box, or this yellow line starts right here at the beginning of the box. All right, I'll be back in a bit. Okay, I went ahead and pulled 8 of them off at 10 ticks here at 85, so that leaves me 2 contracts long, 52.75. I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up to break even right now, and I'm going to probably look to exit as soon as we get into the trigger level, the 9 to 19 level rather, and possibly look for to switch directions to head south. So we'll see at this point, but so I got the first 8 off anyway, and I'm not gonna peel if it does actually break that box. So we'll see what happens. All right, I'll be back in a bit. Stop is sitting at 79 right now to lock in 4 ticks, and we're gonna watch and see what kind of momentum push we'll get on up here. See if we can get up into the 9 area at this point. All right, be back in a bit. Okay, I went ahead and closed the position for 15 ticks long, grabbed, and then went the other direction. So I am 10 contracts short, 52.90 right here. Look to pull a half off at 80. Stop is sitting at 53 right now for 10 ticks. All right, I will be back in just a minute. All right, perfect. Got half off there at 52.80. Stop is going to be coming to break even right now at 52.90. And we'll see if we can peel at 70 for 20 ticks. All right, we'll see what happens. All right, be back in just a bit, and see if we're gonna keep pushing down from here. So this yellow line seems to be a strong level. All right, be back in a bit. All right, stopped out here, and that didn't quite work out like I hope it did. So what I'm looking at now, I drew fib lines on this drop, and we got off this immediate drop overnight, and hang up at 52.96 possibly. So, and that still leaves it within this zone here. So I may look to take a short right there off the fib line if we can get there with a, what is that? 6, 4, 5 tick stop or so. So, all right, we'll see. I'll be back in a minute, and I'll let you know if I get in at that area. All right, be back shortly. Okay, big block came through, and I hopped it short back again at 52.90. So we're gonna see if we can work this trade again. Short, so short 10 contracts 52.90. Let's pull half off at 80. Stop is sitting at 95 right now. Actually, I'm gonna move that up to 97, one tick above the 61.8 fib line. For a 7 tick stop, and we'll see what happens here. All right, be back in a bit. Okay, seeing a stall here. Went ahead and pulled half off at 82 for 8 ticks. Stop is going to be moved to 92 right here for a 2 tick stop, and then we'll see where we go from here. All right, be back in just a bit. Okay, stopped out here, and I may look for one more trade again. And let me see, where are we? Gaining momentum. Okay, I'm depending on where we sitting at inside the 9 to 19 area, I may hit this short one more time again, and that'll be my last trade. So let me watch for just a bit, and I'll be back in a moment. All right, we're giving this one more go. Short 10 contracts 52.95. Stop sitting at 53 for 5 tick stop, which is 1 tick above the threshold at 19. And look to pull 7 of them off at 85. And I'll move to stop to break even, just to let the last one run, see what happens here. All right, last trade, guys. I'll be back in just a bit. Wow, well, that was almost embarrassing. Okay, stopped out there at 5 ticks. So, okay, I'm done. So, a little bit of profit today, not too bad for scalps. So, yep, I'm all done. Don't like to trade much more than that. So, I won't be trading tomorrow. I have class, and I'll come back and I might do a market recap. I don't know. We'll see. But it was an okay day. To get in and out, and glad it's ending kind of early today, so I'll go work outside a little bit. All right, guys, I will see you Thursday, hopefully, and you guys have a good one. All right, bye.